The P0052 code signifies a HO2S heater control circuit high, bank 2 sensor 1 issue. This means the engine control module detects abnormally high voltage in the heater circuit of the oxygen sensor located on bank 2 sensor 1, the upstream sensor on the side of the engine without cylinder 1 in a V-engine configuration. The heater's role is to quickly warm up the oxygen sensor for accurate readings, essential for optimal air-fuel ratio and emissions control. Oxygen sensors, also known as HO2S, measure the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases. This data is crucial for the engine control module to adjust the air-fuel mixture, ensuring efficient combustion and minimizing harmful emissions. Bank 2 sensor 1 is specifically the sensor located before the catalytic converter on bank 2. The heater element inside the sensor helps it reach operating temperature quickly, providing accurate readings even when the engine is cold. Without a functioning heater, the engine might run rich, damaging the catalytic converter. Several factors can trigger the P0052 code, indicating a problem with the oxygen sensor's heater circuit receiving too much voltage. The first common cause is a short to voltage. This occurs when there's a wiring fault that allows the heater circuit to receive excessive voltage, as if directly connected to the battery. A faulty oxygen sensor can also be the cause. Specifically, the heater element within the sensor itself may be internally shorted, leading to the high voltage reading. Wiring harness issues are another common culprit. The wires connecting the sensor can become damaged, corroded, or shorted, disrupting the proper voltage flow. Though less common, problems with the engine control module, or ECM, can cause this code. The ECM might incorrectly interpret or control the voltage in the heater circuit. Finally, a faulty relay in the heater circuit can trigger the code. Problems with this electrical switch prevent proper voltage regulation. Depending on the diagnosis, here are the common fixes for P02. Wiring repair involves fixing or replacing damaged wiring or connectors in the sensor's harness. If the sensor's heater element is faulty, replace the oxygen sensor for bank 2, sensor 1. If the ECM is the problem, which is rare, it may need reprogramming or replacement. Consult a professional for this. Replace any blown fuses or faulty relays related to the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Make sure they are connected properly. To help prevent P0052 and other sensor-related issues, focus on proactive maintenance. First, follow regular vehicle maintenance according to your manufacturer's schedule. Second, inspect wiring regularly by checking harnesses for damage during routine maintenance. Third, use quality parts from reputable brands like Bosch or Denso when replacing sensors. Finally, address issues promptly by not ignoring check engine lights and fixing problems early.